And all you people out there are going to learn the same lesson that Virgil here has learned. That money can and does buy you anything or anybody. Like I said, everybody's got a price for the $1 Million Man.
Good everyone, it's MJ with 23 Dan. Back with another video, and in today's video I want to talk about the Concord 11 that is also releasing December of 2018 and the Cap and Gown 11 price. Okay, so we've seen three versions so far of the Concord 11s: 1995, 2000, and the year 2011. So I have my OGs from 1995, and they were retailed at $125. The 2000 Retro also came out and was priced at $125. Fast forward all those years, we get to 2011. Retail price on the 2011, $180. So a couple weeks back, we got the Cap and Gown Air Jordan 11, and they retailed for a price of $250. Now, for $250 in May of 2018, when in December, the Win Like 82 and the Win Like 96, they retailed for $220. Now, here's my question. This was a specialty shoe. This was an energy release, and they went for $250. If you guys saw my last video, you guys saw how I grabbed these off sneakers with that image, and many people got this shoe for, $250 plus tax. I fortunately was able to get them for $218 shipped because I had a 20% coupon for those Win Like 96s that I got messed up with UPS and Nike back in December. But here's my question. So these were $250. In December of 2018, it's rumored that we're going to be getting the Concord 11. I posed this question on Twitter and Instagram, and I wanted to see where everybody was at, if they were comfortable paying $250 for a Retro 11. Now, I asked my YouTube audience, are you guys comfortable with paying $250 for an Air Jordan 11 Retro? Now, drop it down in the comment section below because I really want to know your thoughts about this. We don't know what the retail price is for the Jordan 11 yet for the holiday season, and I don't want to, put any bets out there, but it's a Retro 11. It's the Concord 11. A lot of people are longing for this shoe. The last time we saw it was in 2011, and it's going to make a return. So is $250 plus tax something that you guys will be copying? Will you cop the Concord 11 for $250? What do you think the price should be? Let me know in the comment section below, because this is just a topic that a lot of people are if, ands, or buts about it. Like, personally for me, $250 for an Air Jordan 11 is my absolute cap. So if we're going to be getting Jordan 11s from here on out for $250, heck, maybe even like next summer it's going to be like $260. Is that something that you guys are comfortable with paying? Because personally, I'm not. I always told myself that if Jordans ever retailed for $250 and more, I'm quitting the shoe game. like it's ridiculous, man. And it's hard to find like these shoes if you really want it with a limited price tag or a limited quantity amount out there for $250. It's really going to be super hard to get this for less than that. So if you guys really want that, to each their own. But yeah, like I said, $250 for Jordan 11s is crazy. Now, I can think back to my high school days, the OG right here, the Concord 11 from 1995. I was 15 years old when I got this shoe, and $125 back then was crazy. I bought this shoe with my own money. Now think about it, 2018, you're a teenager. I know things are different nowadays, and kids nowadays are hustling. Hey, we hustled back then too. You know, going to like the grocery store and buying like bulk candy and reselling that inside the classrooms when candy and gum weren't allowed. That's something that we did, man, just to get this. We even saved our lunch money that we got every week. It was crazy times, man, and it wasn't as hyped up as it was or as it is now. So I don't know how you guys do it. It's crazy to me, but retail sneakers for going for that super inflated amount is really crazy. $250. Anyways, that's just a little video that I wanted to put out there for you guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Is, you know, again, $250 something that you're willing to pay? That's my absolute like final straw. If Jordans start retroing and retailing for $250 minimum, that's it. I'm done. All right, so that's it. Anyways, it's MJO23Dan. Subscribe to the channel if you guys like the content. I am also making a website, so you guys probably won't see a lot of videos from me in the next couple weeks. I am still doing MJO Feature Fridays, so if that's something that you're interested in, click the card up above so you guys can come check it out. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that I also partner with StockX on their affiliate marketing program. So if any shoes that I feature on this video here or anywhere on my YouTube or even my website, click the links and you know, a portion of that gets fed back to me so that I can continue creating content for you guys. Again, subscribe to me on YouTube here. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care.